So what's up everyone? Welcome back to my channel, Brighter Life Institute. I'm Alicia. Today's video was requested by so many of you, and the question was how to get your ex back. So let's plunge into it. Action 1. Leave your ex alone. Remember guys, there's a reason or few reasons why your relationship have broke up. So before thinking to want to get back with that person, see if those issues can be resolved. Action 2. Focus on yourself. You need to rebuild yourself and invest in yourself. Not to get them back, but for you. Nobody wants to date someone that is depressed. Action 3. Use the experience that you had in your relationship to build a better version of yourself. Action 4. Don't behave like the person didn't matter to you and that your life is over because the relationship ended. Action 5. Know your worth. If you are a special person, your ex will know that. Trust your value. Action 6. Do not listen to the hard and insensitive advice from other people how to treat your ex. Some people will advise you to show to your ex how much you don't care about them. If you dare to check the life of those people that are advising you, you will see that those people cannot manage their own life. So don't let people that cannot manage their own life manage in yours. Basically guys, in order to get your ex back, you need to get yourself back. You need to better your life. You need to have a life that you're proud of. You need to be a person that you are proud of. Many relationships fail because we are taking our partner for granted, or some stupid things been happening in there. Most of the time, a breakup can be the start of a great relationship between the two people if they have learned from it. Going back to an ex should never be your only objective and your prime objective. Your objective should be to better in your life, be a better version of yourself so that you can be happy about who you are. That your ex come back or not, well, you have no control and no power over this, but you have a lot of power to bettering yourself and having a great exciting life for yourself. If some of you still in love with your ex, you need to let them go and allow them to go find whatever they are looking for that can make them happy. And if they decide that they are more happy with you, then that's a great news. But we cannot put our life on hold waiting for somebody to come back to us or to hoping how to get the past back to our life. That past have ended for a reason, and we need to become a better version of ourselves and go on with our life and build up a great life for ourselves. I see so many people online that are looking for a way to get their ex back, and that's beautiful. But many of us need to not act from a place of desperation. You need to remember your worth and who you are. If you were a good person to your ex, it may take time, but they will remember the value that you brought to their life one day. But we cannot wait around for people that have left our life to come back to us. People change every day, and chance is you are not the same person. And your ex as well are no longer the same person that you used to know. So there is a chance that by the time they remember you, you may not want them back. Some relationship end because of some stupid behavior, and in the moment we overlook those issues that our partner brought to our life when you were with them. By investing in yourself to improve your life, you may conclude that your ex was not such a great match for you after all, and you may not want them back. Your focus should not be to get your ex back. Your focus should be to get a better version of you and a better life for you. Some people can take us for granted because we may have stopped to take care of ourselves when we were with them. See this time that you have by yourself as an opportunity to rebuild yourself. And if you really want your ex back, make sure that you set yourself to be a great option for them to consider and not just a convenient path to return to. Your objective for yourself should be to build a great life for you, and that your ex come back or you meet a new person, you will have learned from your breakup and build a better version for yourself, for you. If you feel good about who you are, many people will want you as a partner in their life. Add value to your life so you can bring great value to your next relationship. Losing someone we love can bring a lot of pain, and from that pain, we get sometimes the motivation to drastically transform ourselves and bettering our life. Focus on some of those goals and dreams that you always wanted to achieve. Use your pain to create the dream life that you always wanted for yourself. Live your life with courage and bravery, like you are missing nothing in your life. And I can guarantee that you will attract whoever is made to be in your life. We don't need to chase, beg, or convince someone to want to be with us. When that person that is meant to be in our life see the right environment for them with us, they will themselves come to us. Do not accept to enter any relationship with anyone that doesn't meet your criteria of a healthy relationship. That is a new person or an ex. I really need you to trust in your worth and to be confident that nothing that is meant for you can leave you. Therefore, stay confident on your self-worth. So guys, this is Brighter Life Institute and I'm Alicia. And I wish you a good day. Thanks for watching and see you on the next video. Bye!